The new Google Tensor G4 chip, our 4th generation processor, is our fastest and most efficient yet. Pixel 9 is the first phone to launch with Gemini Nano with multimodality.
Google's Pixel 9 is set to hit shelves soon, and it's packed with exciting new features. But before you decide to leap, it's important to understand what sets this smartphone apart. In this video, we'll delve into the key features you need to know about before making your purchase. From its cutting-edge camera system to its advanced AI capabilities, the Pixel 9 offers a lot to love. So, let's dive in and discover what this new flagship has to offer. Feature 1. Dual display. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold revolutionizes multitasking with its advanced dual display technology. It boasts an 8-inch Super Actua Flex inner screen with a high-resolution 2076 x 2152 OLED display. This screen offers vibrant visuals with over 16 million colors, deep blacks, and a smooth experience thanks to a dynamic refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. It also supports HDR and can reach up to 1,800 nits of brightness, ensuring sharp and vivid visuals even in bright conditions. The outer display is a 6.3-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 1080 x 2424 pixels and a peak brightness of 2700 nits. This high brightness makes it easy to see even in direct sunlight, perfect for quick notifications, messages, or app access without unfolding the device. The dual screens offer excellent versatility, allowing seamless transitions between tasks. Photography and video calls are enhanced by this design. The outer screen serves as a preview window for capturing selfies or group photos with the high-resolution rear camera, ensuring well-framed shots. Video calls benefit from both screens displaying participants, making conversations more engaging. Additionally, multitasking is streamlined, as you can run a video call on one screen while handling other tasks on the second screen, improving productivity and focus. Feature 2. Pixel Studio. Pixel Studio is an exciting new AI tool from Google that makes image creation both accessible and enjoyable. It combines on-device processing with cloud-based AI to help users generate images based on their ideas. The app leverages the Tensor G4 chip for fast, efficient AI processing on your device, while also using the cloud-based Reimagine 3 model for more advanced image generation. You can create images simply by typing text prompts. For example, if you describe a sunset over a calm lake with mountains in the background, Pixel Studio uses its AI models to generate an image that matches your description. Additionally, the app offers customization options, allowing you to choose from various styles, like cartoonish, realistic, or abstract, to match your preferences. Pixel Studio also features the ability to create personalized stickers. You can turn photos of yourself, your pets, or even your doodles into custom stickers for use in chats and social media. This adds a personal touch and makes your creations even more unique. Keep in mind that Pixel Studio requires an internet connection because the Reimagine 3 model operates in the cloud, handling the complex parts of image generation. While some processing is done on your device, the cloud-based AI ensures higher quality and more detailed results than if the app relied solely on your device's hardware. Number 3. The Add Me feature. Imagine visiting the Eiffel Tower with a friend and wanting a perfect photo of both of you together, with the landmark in the background. Instead of taking turns or asking a stranger to take the photo, you can use the Add Me feature to make it look like you were both in the same picture from the start. Here's how it works. First, you use the Add Me mode in your camera app to scan your surroundings. This helps the app understand the scene and background, ensuring the photos blend naturally. Next, you take a photo of your friend in front of the Eiffel Tower. After switching places, your friend takes your picture while the app displays a ghosted version of the earlier photo. This ghosted image helps your friend align the shot so that when the two photos are merged, it looks like you were standing side by side the entire time. Once both photos are taken, the app automatically combines them into one seamless image. The result is a single photo where you and your friend appear together as if you were both in the shot from the beginning. This feature is perfect for capturing memorable moments with friends without needing to take turns or involve strangers. Add Me provides a fun and easy way to ensure everyone is included in the photo, no matter where you are or what you're doing. Feature 4. Pixel Screenshots. Pixel Screenshots offer a smarter way to capture, organize, and recall information, making it especially helpful for professionals and students. It automatically labels and organizes screenshots, making them easier to find. For instance, if you screenshot a meeting presentation, the Gemini AI can label it Q3 sales meeting and summarize key points like revenue targets. If it's a recipe, it might be tagged as spaghetti bolognese with ingredients and steps highlighted. Searching for screenshots is simple. You can type keywords like flight details or ask, "What's the Wi-Fi code from the cafe?" and Gemini will instantly pull up the relevant screenshot. The app also suggests useful actions. For example, if it detects an added address in a screenshot, it might offer a Search in Maps button for quick directions. Additionally, you can set reminders to revisit screenshots later, ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks. Pixel Screenshots is designed with privacy in mind. Unlike other AI tools that may access your cloud data, Google's approach keeps everything processed locally on your device. This means your information stays private and you have full control, able to turn the feature off at any time. Feature 5, Call Notes. It also includes a useful call notes feature designed to help you never forget important details from phone conversations. With call notes, you can store private summaries of your calls, capturing key information like appointment times, addresses, or callback numbers. This makes it easier to retrieve critical details later, without relying on your memory or manually jotting things down. When you enable call notes, the feature securely saves these details and transcripts directly in your call log, ensuring you have easy access whenever needed. It operates entirely on your device, so your information stays private and doesn't get shared or uploaded to the cloud. For transparency, all callers are notified when call notes are in use, giving everyone involved awareness of the feature. This maintains trust while still allowing you to benefit from having a digital record of your conversations. Feature 6, Reimagine. Google's Magic Editor has introduced a powerful new feature called Reimagine, which allows you to transform specific parts of your photos with just a few words. With Reimagine, you can select any area of your picture, and a text box will appear where you can type what you want to see in that spot. The results improve based on how detailed your description is, giving you control over the changes you make. For instance, if you have a photo of a plain field and want to add a vibrant garden, you can type "blooming garden with colorful flowers," and Reimagine will generate the image you described right in that spot. The more precise and vivid your description, the more accurate and visually appealing the results will be. This feature lets you creatively enhance scenes and add artistic elements to your photos with minimal effort. Reimagine shines particularly when editing backgrounds and objects, whether it's adding scenic details, replacing dull spaces, or enhancing existing features. This tool gives you the freedom to personalize your images in unique ways. However, it's designed to work best with environments rather than making adjustments to people, ensuring a natural and realistic outcome. Feature 7, Maximum Pixel, Minimum Bulk. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold sets a new standard in foldable technology with its sleek and slim design. It boasts the largest inner display of any mobile device, offering a spacious 8-inch screen that unfolds to provide an expansive viewing area. Despite this large display, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is remarkably thin, measuring just 10.5 mm when unfolded and 5.1 mm when folded. This compact thickness makes it highly convenient to carry around. In addition to its impressive display, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold features a cover screen that is taller and narrower compared to its predecessor. This design improvement contributes to a more streamlined and modern look. The bulkier bezels of the previous model have been replaced by a sleeker appearance, thanks to a new hinge constructed from multi-alloy steel and encased in aerospace-grade aluminum alloy. This refined hinge design enhances both the aesthetics and functionality of the device, making it one of the most elegant and practical foldables available. Feature 8, Powered by Tensor G4 and Gemini. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold comes equipped with the Gemini AI Assistant, which harnesses the power of Google's latest AI technology and the new Tensor G4 processor. This integration enhances the phone's multitasking abilities, allowing Gemini to adapt seamlessly to both personal and professional needs. For instance, Gemini can extract details from a Gmail invitation to provide information about an upcoming party, help plan the event by creating lists and reminders, and even suggest nearby bakeries through Google Maps. With deep integration into Google's ecosystem, Gemini provides highly relevant insights and actionable suggestions based on the content you interact with and your specific queries. To further expand Gemini's capabilities, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold includes a 1-year Google One subscription. This plan features Gemini Advanced, which offers enhanced functions like summarizing emails from Gmail and drafting documents in Google Docs. Additionally, the Google One subscription provides 2 terabytes of cloud storage, ensuring ample space for backing up your data and convenient access to your files and photos from any device. This combination of advanced AI features and substantial cloud storage enhances productivity and ensures that you always have the right information at your fingertips. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.